cool girl, I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my quick everyday glam, you guys. I came out with a video during Vlogmas where I did my quick, super easy, very skin-like, everyday light makeup where I show you guys my skincare for my everyday. I'm not gonna go super in-depth. I'm just not gonna make this a talk through. I feel like it's just kind of pointless. You guys literally know what I'm doing without me having to explain it. So just gonna show you guys the products. Won't be a chit chat, but I'll definitely come out with an updated skincare routine too, because that's been highly requested also. So look out for that. But hope that you guys enjoy this video and keep watching so that you guys can learn what I do for my everyday skin makeup. so this is it. This is my finished makeup look. Usually I take about 40 minutes to do this whole makeup look, including lashes. By the way, yes, I'm giving my eyes a break from eyelash extensions because I suffered literally the last time that I got them done during Vlogmas. I suffered from like super itchy dry eyes, so like right where the extensions were, my eyelid was like flaky, like it was super duper dry. I was doing oil-free stuff always, or like keeping oils away from my eyes, but because of how dried out my eyes were and it like got puffy, so I just think my eyes were like getting way too strained, telling me to just take a break for a little bit. So not sure when I'm gonna get extensions again, because honestly they are such a time saver and a lifesaver because I don't even have to do makeup. But definitely gonna take a little bit of a break because my eyes just need that. So I really wasn't concerned to keep them fresh and up to par for it being my last time. I was really over it. I was like, my eyes are more concerning to me than the eyelashes at this point, because I'm not trying to end up in the emergency room for some odd reason, because you never know. I've been putting like my castor oil and stuff, so hopefully my like little by little my eyelashes are falling off the extensions, not my real eyelashes. If you guys want me to make a video on how I use my castor oil, let me know, because I've been getting a lot of questions ever since I mentioned using castor oil. Like for 2 years now, I get a lot of people asking me how I use it. It's just become a part of my life routine, so let me know. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Also, I've been wearing kind of fuller lashes. I'm not sure how I feel about them, but that's really only because I haven't stocked up on my Ardell wispies, because I was wearing extensions for so long that I was using all of my other lashes when I had like clients throughout the year, and I realized I have no more wispies, so the really only ones that I've been having are these ones, so I've been wearing these ones. And I do like them, but they are heavy on me. But yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on all of my socials. They are linked down below and throughout this video. So love you all, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.